Are you a California laid-back kind of guy? Then this shirt is for you. Yeah, it's the Mecafornia shirt by artist Anthony Barberia, only available on Amazon.com.
Say that, let's say that again.
Check out this new Mecafornia designed by artist Anthony Barberia. This is for those who love robots. Do you love robot bears? I love collecting transforming toy robots. Do you? Yeah, do you love California? Let's go surf, let's go skate, let's have some fun.
Don't think that was quite right. Try it again.
Do you love robots? Do you love bears? Do you love robot bears? Do you like California? Then this is a shirt for you. Yes, the new Mecafornia shirt by artist Anthony Barberia, only available on Amazon.com.
I think that quite had the feeling I went for. Just do it one more time, okay?
You breaking the rule of threes here? This is the new Mecafornia shirt by artist Anthony Barberia, based out of Sacramento, originally from San Jose. This shirt is only available on Amazon.com.